Okay, 43573 West Askew. That's a little indented, so maybe need to be worked on, but not necessarily. The rest of it looks pretty good. The bottom is a little scuffed up there. Along the bottom again, this looks fine. The wall, just a little scuffy, no big deal. Again, there's just a little basic normal cracking over there on top of the door, no big deal. Other than that, as you can see, everything looks pretty good. I don't see anything that needs to be painted here. There's a couple little marks over there. This is the back side. I don't see anything on the back side. That's just covering up the windows for the sun. That's inside, that's just nothing to be concerned about. As we continue, once again, there's nothing on the side here. The beam looks okay. This is dented up a little bit, but once again, no big deal. Just some divot stuff. That's all. I don't think that that's really a killer. I mean, that maybe need to be stuccoed at some point. Here's a little hole that could be stuccoed. And everything along the air conditioning unit and the dish is all fine. It's really just the bottom, along the bottom, where it wears out on every house. And you have little divots like that, and like this. And then on this wall, it's divoted up a little bit. That, once again, is just some puttying, maybe some paint, or just none. This is the landscaping. The tree may need to be trimmed a little bit. There's some scuffing down there, maybe. Once again, just a little patch up. This wall looks okay. This looks okay. This wall looks okay. And this wall looks okay. So I really don't see where we have that much in the outside that's got to be done. It's really just patch up. If you go into the house, this is now what the front entry looks like with no boxes in it. This is the carpet you're going to leave. If it gets vacuumed, probably will be fine. Okay, and we'll take a look. That's what it is. I'm just taking that picture home. This has got a little scuff mark. Once again, touch-ups. Just little things like over there under that outlet. Maybe touch-up. That's all. In the kitchen, we're dealing with now an empty freezer and fridge. And I cleaned it with some cleaning stuff. See? This is the kitchen now. We will get that door fixed at one point. The panel, as you know, was broken from the Binzer. But that was it. And this is all good. This is going to be removed tomorrow, the couch. We're just going to have to tape up the one thing that fell off over here. That goes up over there. I don't even know if we'll need it. We need to get off the end of that. This carpet's all being replaced, so it doesn't matter. These are in the wall, 4 things, screws. That's once again just pull out maybe and touch up. This is the carpet here. There's nothing really to touch up here. The master is in pretty good shape. I don't see anything that really needs to touch up, even behind the doors. Is looking fine. Going into the bathroom, nothing to touch up. He left that, which is nice. I wouldn't mind taking that. I don't know if you want it. And of course you got the closet. And the closet has some hangers in it, but nothing really to touch up. That can just be thrown out. That's no big deal. Nothing behind here to touch up. And the bathroom is fine. Going into the cabinet here, now the pantry is empty. Then we go down this hallway into the laundry room. That's just a cable box that'll have to be gotten rid of. And this just needs regular cleaning. No touch up. This is a closet, empty. has a couple of little things that we can use for usage in the house, but nothing needed. Here's this. This is going to be replaced, the carpet. I don't see anything that needs to really be done. You have to touch up that corner. Again, just a little touch-up paint and it's fine. The next bedroom looks totally fine. We'll just have to see what comes from behind this piece of furniture, which looks good. They're going to get rid of this tomorrow, but doesn't look like it needs any touch-up. The bathroom looks fine. The lights all work. I don't see any touch-up needed for this. And then the fourth bedroom, again, this wall just needs some touch-up. That's not a big deal. I mean, all this touch-up stuff inside looks like maybe we're talking a gallon of paint and a handyman to do it. So, and as you can see, they did put the shower head back up. And that's really it. The only other thing that's got to be done is this stuff's got to be removed. This is the garage. I was told that those are all empty boxes, which could be broken down. I didn't want you to think they're not. I told you the water heater box is there. The girl said she's going to take this and this stuff. That's the garbage cans, and that's the sink. It's not that heavy. I think at some point I'll be able to get rid of it one way or another. And then this is just like paint and compound stuff. So he has the white paint, actually, it looks like, for touch-up. And that's really it. It's not like there was crap all over the place as much as it was expected. And we even have, it looks like, a couple of filters that could be used to switch. So that really concludes things, Jim. We'll see where it goes from there. And that's that. And of course, dishwasher's empty. I will send this to you shortly, and I hope that it meets your approval. Like I said, I know that front room you talked about how there was something. Now there is absolutely nothing there. Thank you. I hope you have a happy birthday also. I set the thermostat to 89 degrees, and I put the refrigerators down to 1 on the second lowest cold setting. And that's that. I'm going to turn off the stove and microwave from the box outside, just to save some electricity. Talk to you soon.